Well, this is a bit annoying because that nut always comes loose and then it starts to chatter. So I've decided to make a lockbolt in there. So I drilled it. Now I'm putting in M5 tap into it. This is the second tap already, so it's a final one, so it's pretty easy. A while ago I modified this hand wheel to work with a thrust washer. The problem is you have to sort of adjust the tension on it so it's not too hard, and that nut was coming loose all the time, so I decided to put a thrust washer in. I did that, but it was the lock nut was coming off all the time, so I decided to do something different. I drilled it and tapped it with M4, so I'm going to use it as a lock nut. So the way it works, I have this washer. I'm just trying to do it with one hand. Okay, and that goes over the top, like so. Then comes the original wheel with the new scale that I put on, a larger scale. And then it will be the hand wheel, then the nut, and then I'm gonna just make a washer here so I can press on it, and then I will have the lock nut put in there, and hopefully that will stop it from coming loose. So that is assembled now. So this is holding them, so there's no forward backwards movement here. Just need to put some oil in there. So yeah, that's not coming loose. If it is coming loose, I can always put some Loctite on it, but I think that's gonna be all right. So yeah, I wanted to do this for a long time, but now I've had enough. It's done now.